Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we even start, going ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I'm going to do these quick cornrows. I decided to do my hair in quick cornrows because I started back the gym and your girl be sweating. Her hair be messing up so fast. So I decided to do a protective style in my hair, and yes, it is cornrows. So you're gonna need 1 pack of hair. I had got the expression hair, which comes with 3 inside the pack. I got me some beeswax and spritz spray and edge control and stuff. So now I am just parting my hair right now, and I am using my other mirror to make sure that the part is correct in the back. So that's what I'm going to keep doing. I'm going to keep parting my hair from the front and then showing y'all how it looks from the back. It is really hard to part your hair, so this is definitely a good method to make sure your hair is parted right. You just take a handheld mirror and you just turn your back to see if the part is straight. So as I finish parting it, I will be taking either a scrunchie or a rubber band, and I will be placing it on the parts that I parted out, just so that the parts won't get mixed up. I think I'm gonna do around 6 corn braids because I really don't want to do too much corn braids, and I really don't feel like taking it out. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But honestly, this hairstyle is definitely a protective hairstyle, and I love cornrows as a go-to, and y'all need to try it. So right now I'm just pulling out my baby hairs right now to make sure that everything is good and seeing how much I want to be out, because I honestly don't want to be doing baby hairs every day. So we're going to keep going, and then I'm going to also keep parting my hair and, like I said before, placing the rubber bands on my hair.
Got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari. It's not me, that's them, they capping. Spit it off at the top and I'm rapping. Gotta keep it all the time, but I know off at the top, but I keep that flow. Flexing, wanna get a chill like, ooh. Gotta make a meal, gotta deal like, ooh. Wanna make a meal, shorty do like, ooh. Wanna get real, shorty, what you wanna do? Nothing wanna chill like, hey, when I roll up on the scene like, hey, we can do it all the time like, baby. Shorty said she wanna chill, that's your baby. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls. Pretty girls dance.
So now that I finished parting everything, as you see, yes, it would get confusing with the parts of how I did it. So if you find a different method, you are more than welcome to do what's more is easier for you. So now I'm just going to put my beeswax on my first section that I will be braiding, and I also making sure that nothing comes in between my braid that I'm doing right now. So you're just going to take a little piece and section off your hair, braid it first. So I don't really like that bump, that beat in the front of your braid. So I'm kind of doing a finish to start braid, starting off like that, and you will just braid your hair a little bit, and then as you braid, like I would say 1 or 2 times, you will add in pieces as you go. If you would like a more detail of what I'm saying of how I'm braiding, you could just comment down below, and I would definitely do a video for y'all showing y'all exactly what I'm talking about. But for my hair braiders, y'all know already.
Time to fly the grind to find, I know. Grind to find the blind mind to show. Keep the flow, I know to let it go. Off the top the dome, I let it blow. Get it like, oh, wanna get flow, but I keep that, oh. Wanna get team, but I got that, whoa. Wanna get team, but you got that, whoa. Get it like, everybody wanna chill, wanna build like, ooh. Hold up on the scene, but I green like, ooh. Wanna be the flop, but I thought you knew. Wanna get chill, when you really wanna do. I see them haters, they be talking, walking all the time. Often putting them in the coffin, boffin when they say rhyme. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still.
It was definitely hurting my arms to do this, but your girl got it, and I'm really, really feeling the fact that it's coming out how I want it. Like I said before, this is just some quick braids for me just to last so while I go to the gym. I really, really like straight backs, like I said before, but y'all, this hairstyle is about to be bomb. So I'm going to continue to do the same method as putting beeswax on each part. Beeswax is to help the braid stay neat, and also it's just something that the girls do now. I really, really like using it as in braiding my hair because it does keep my parts neat. And yeah, y'all should try it out.
Got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari. It's not me, that's them, they capping. Spit it off at the top and I'm rapping. Gotta keep it all the time, but I know off at the top, but I keep that flow. Flexing, wanna get a chill like ooh. Gotta make a meal, got a deal like ooh. Wanna make a meal, shorty do like ooh. Wanna get real, shorty, what you wanna do? Nothing wanna chill like hey, hey. When I roll up on the scene like hey, hey. We can do it all the time like baby. Shorty said she wanna chill, that's your baby. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls. Oh, the pretty girls. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the off the top the dome, I let it blow. Get it like, oh, wanna get flow, but I keep that, oh. Wanna get team, but I got that, whoa. Wanna get team, but you got that, whoa. Get it like, everybody wanna chill, wanna build like, ooh. Hold up on the scene, but I green like, ooh. Wanna be the flop, but I thought you knew. Wanna get chill, when you really wanna do. I see them haters, they be talking, walking all the time. Often putting them in the coffin, boffin' when they say rhyme. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls. Oh, the pretty girls. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls. I told like this, man. Listen, yo. Why phony people like to only text on holidays? Like happy Easter, Merry Christmas, happy birthday. Happy birthday, it ain't my birthday. We don't talk enough for them to know that don't that hurt. Ayy, I don't call them, I don't text them, keep it moving. No protection, intersection, compilation. I'm just moving recollections. Past life, move it all the time in the fast life. Shorty wanna get it, but the bad like I wanna move it all the time, but I get this dough. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls. Oh, the pretty girl. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari. It's not me, that's them, they capping. Spit it off at the top and I'm rapping. Gotta keep it all the time, but I know all for the top, but I keep that flow. Flexing, wanna get a chill like ooh. Gotta make a meal, got a deal like ooh. Wanna make a meal, shorty do like ooh. Wanna get real, shorty, what you wanna do? Nothing wanna chill like hey hey. When I roll up on the scene like hey hey. We can do it all the time like baby. Shorty said she wanna chill, that's your baby.
Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls. Oh, the pretty girls. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance.
So now I am on my last braid, y'all. Like, this is definitely a lot of work, but like I said, I love doing my own hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now I'm going to get into my baby hairs, and I'm just going to use my pink baby hair comb. So what I did was brush out the baby hairs first, and then I put a little of edge control on the baby hairs, and I also use a little bit of NARS mousse, and I'm just gonna create some waves in my baby hairs in the front, and I'm not gonna get too crazy with it. I just want to do something simple. Like I said, I really like the fact that I'm getting into it with knowing how to do my baby's hairs, because I have light baby hair, so sometimes look like I have no edges until I really do something with it. But this is all I'm going to do to make sure that it looks nice, nothing too crazy. Like I said, I went on ahead and put on a little bit of makeup as well, because I'm definitely feeling myself. Okay, so I am all done. This is how they look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe at the bottom. I'm definitely feeling myself right now. I could definitely put this inside of a bun or do different things with it. So now I'm just going to wrap my baby's hair for a little while and let that dry for a little while, and then I'm going to take it off to see how the baby hairs are laying. And this is the finished product. I really like this hairstyle. This is definitely a quick go-to hairstyle, especially if you want to do your hair. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel.